Hi YouTube, Brian James on my path to Paphos here, and the sound of my voice will be a giveaway as to what I'm going to be saying in a few moments. But before I do start on all that, let's just start with the introductions. I'm Brian James. I'm a dual national Irish cum Brit who has come to the beautiful land of Cyprus last year in March, April 2025 time, and I'm still here. I'm still here, still living here, thoroughly enjoying life. Well, I was until this week. Yeah, was until this week. Anyway, why am I not enjoying this week? Well, you can hear it. I'm full of colds, which is why I haven't done a couple of videos for the last few days. Really apologise. I normally would have been doing a members update video, and I would have been doing all sorts of things. But as you can hear, I've not been particularly well. I had a really bit of a bad head cold. Last couple of days I've been in the house. I've got a weepy eye. Oh, goodness. I'm falling to pieces. Falling to pieces. 65 years old. I'm not even 65 years old, am I? 64 years old and I'm in this state. Never mind, never mind. Right, so this video, well, first of all, as I say, I've got the cold, which has put me, I'll come back to that in a few seconds, but the main part of this video is to tell you that there's been an update. For all of you people who are coming on holiday to Cyprus, there was a drone ban imposed a few months ago after the drone attacks on Akrotiri, and after some idiot, as far as I know, was flying a drone in the restricted airspace around Paphos Airport. That's what I heard. I believe that's true. What is it with people? Anyway, it would appear that the drone ban, which I reported about in a video in March, is now lifted. So long as you're sensible, you don't go flying over military installations and over airports and over restricted places. You're not sticking your drone into people's faces and things like that, all those sort of common sense things. If you're a responsible drone owner, you can now use your drone again on the island of Cyprus. So yeah, the drone ban has been lifted. So that's really, really good news for you coming on holiday, because I know a lot of people do enjoy bringing the drone on holiday and doing all holiday videos with it. And this is hopefully a big, big improvement for them to make things possible, because I know a few people were frustrated at the ban. It spoiled a couple of people's plans for the holiday. So, yes, drones are now legal again within common sense restrictions throughout Cyprus. What else? As I say, well, full of cold. It's been a difficult week for me. I did a gig on Saturday night, which went really well. Then Sunday, I didn't do a gig. Monday, I should have been my first night at Kiko's, but because the weather was just so atrocious, I can't believe we had snow at Troodos in May. I'm not just on about light little covering. We had roads blocked off and things up at Troodos in May. And the weather's was just freak, very, very strange. As lovely as you can see now. I'm back to it. But yes, I didn't do my gig on Monday, which was actually very fortuitous because my voice was just about gone. I'm on the wane now. I'm on the better side of it. The cold is waning, rather. I'm not on the wane. The cold is on the wane. So my voice is slowly picking up and slowly getting a bit better. I could do with a drink, to tell you the truth. The problem with cold is it really leaves you very dehydrated. But yes, that's the reason there's been no videos for the last couple of days. I will be doing a members update special very, very soon, because the beginning of the month, because it's now the 6th already. Can't believe it's the 6th of the month already. So I'll be doing that members update video in the next day or two when I've got a little bit more voice back. But very, very busy weekend this weekend with gigs as well. So I really need this to be cleared up, because I've got Lofties on Saturday and Sea Rays again on Sunday. I'm looking forward to that. And then start the season properly at Kiko's on Monday night. So a very busy weekend. Need the voice working. Need myself fitting well. Need to get myself put back together, and don't need to be wasting my voice too much on this short video. So I'll say bye-bye. Thank you very much. If you want to support the channel, you can always buy me a coffee and join as a member or whatever it is up there. You'll see the QR code as per normal. But until the next time, thanks very much for watching this short video, and I'll see you, hopefully in a more well state, very, very soon. Enjoy your path to Paphos. If you're coming across here, enjoy your holiday, and I'll see you very soon.